To change Apple Watch band, first of all, you will have to just rotate your device, and here you can find this kind of the buttons. So you have to just use your fingernail and simply click and hold it like so, and now move this band into the left or the right side. And that's basically how you can remove them. And if you want to put new band on your watch, you have to just slide it like so. Gently, and it's inside. You don't have to press this button when you try to put it in. Just press and hold it when you try to remove your band. And also make sure that you are just holding your band in the proper position. So as you can see, we can find 3 black pins over here, but when you move it upside down, we got 2 black and the silver one. So the silver one must be in this position, face to the sensors. There we go. That's basically everything for this video. I hope you find it useful.